Alright, here is a 52-inch Hunter Low Profile 2 in white. Not so sure what year this is from, but this is in the same house that has the Hunter Low Profile 1s in them. And there's 3 of this fan in this house, and the other 2 have light kits on them. Anyways, here's the closer look of it. It's got some scratches on there. I mean, it's a pretty old fan. Anyway, yeah, it's got a seashell stipple chain. Anyway, we'll turn on low speed now. And most of the fans in this house are not controlled by any switch on the wall or anything. They all go to lights or other things in the house. Only the Hunter Low Profile in the living room is controlled by a switch. Alright, so here it is in low speed. It's got a pretty nice low speed to it. And it's in pretty good condition as well, besides the scratches. And it's got like a newer Hunter logo on it. Well, a slightly newer one, because that's the circle around it. And it does not have a Hunter logo on the switch housing. Anyways, here it is on medium speed. And it's pretty quiet as well. Alright, blows a good amount of air at medium speed. Medium speed's a little bit slow, but that's okay. And then here's high speed. Alright, get a view of it where there's a little bit more light. I'm going to turn it back to low speed now. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and bye.